What's your emergency?
I need help. I haven't slept in 48 hours. I haven't gotten a single shortlist. I have to be at college by 4 a.m. and sit on those horrible chairs.
We had no idea what we were getting into.
Would you say you were prepared for this?
They say 3 months of preparation and taking P2Ps will get you ready for this. But nothing can prepare you for this.
Every time I close my eyes, I saw that word.
Well, the game plan was simple. Convert the first shortlist and chill.
Shortlist क्यों नहीं आ रही है?
I couldn't sleep for straight 4 days.
Expectations are one thing, what actually happens is entirely else.
I hate finance. Finance was my last SIC.
सारंश ने उसकी शॉर्टलिस्ट है, ये सारंश कहाँ है?
Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Adarsh S. I gave 6 GDs and I couldn't make it to the interview.
Placement week didn't just test my skills, it tested my will to live.
I was rejected so many times that I started thanking the panelists for it.
I don't even remember what day it was when I got placed. It's like time stopped existing.
We survived somehow.
In this farewell, there's no blood, there's no alibi. 'Cause I've drawn regret from the truth of 1,000 lies. So let mercy come.
I don't know how batch of 27 is gonna go through this.
I'll face my
रिश्तों के भी रूप बदलते हैं, नए नए सांचे में ढलते हैं। एक पीढ़ी आती है, एक पीढ़ी जाती है, बनती कहानी नई। क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी, हाँ सास भी कभी बहू थी। क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी, हाँ सास भी कभी बहू थी। खेलने वाले बैठ के देखेंगे, नए खिलाड़ी खेल ये खेलेंगे।
तुझे बोला बैठने को? तुझे बोला खड़ा होने को? तुझे बोला मैंने को।
सुबह सुबह बुला के चिड़िया उड़ खेल रहा है मेरे साथ।
ये क्या है?
सुबह सुबह 5 बजे तूने ही तो ब्लिंकिट से मंगाया था, अब पूछ रहा है क्या है?
A half page of CV, that's it?
3rd क्लास में नींबू चम्मच रेस जीता हूँ, ये कम है क्या?
I know your CV is better than mine. लेकिन और तो बनाना ही पड़ेगा ना।
कंपनी में 3 साल गांड घिसा के कैट फोड़ने के बाद यहाँ पे आया हूँ, और अब ये बीकॉम वाला मुझसे 2 साल छोटा लड़का मुझे बोल रहा है।
Gen Z is widely considered an employer's nightmare. 1 in 6 companies do not want to hire Gen Z. They say Gen Z is entitled, easily offended, unable to handle feedback, lacking in motivation, professionalism, strong work ethic, and communication skills. It makes you think, what doesn't Gen Z lack? Apparently, the ability to make things worse. Over the past few years, the young haven't helped their case by making up these work trends.
I told you that the legacy of this campus has been served to you on a platter. But watching you guys struggle, grow and succeed, I can definitely say that you guys have not just honored it, but you've poured your heart into it.
I told you that we will be watching all your moves. And we were. We watched you struggle, we watched you practice, we watched you party, and we watched you turn into the professionals that you turned into today.
I told you that nothing short of relentless grind would take you through the process, and you turned that grind into glory, and this will stay with us forever. I repeat, forever.
My words were supposedly sacrosanct, and all of you were warned not to mess with us. But you messed with every single challenge thrown your way, and that's exactly what we hoped for, and more.
So we said we were just shadows to you, but now our DMs are open.
I told you guys you all were just CVs to us, just a number. But the truth is, we all knew your stories, we all felt your anxieties, and we all celebrated your victories as if they were our own.
I told you your competition was with other top B schools, and you proved it by competing fiercely out there, while lifting and supporting each other up.
I told you to sign out if you couldn't handle it, but you stayed. You fought through every setback, and you came out stronger than you ever believed.
My final warning to you was that the placements at FMS are earned, not guaranteed. And today, it is our honor to say that you have earned every single one of this opportunity. You did not waste a single damn thing.
And finally, I told you that we run this campus. But today, we are just your seniors. And the legacy of this campus, it belongs to you now. Welcome and congratulations.
Happy ending. Everybody's looking for a happy ending. Happy ending, happy ending. हर कहानी की हो happy ending.
तक वो शोहरत की हो, कभी जो छत पे यूं ही छम छम हुई तो बारिश वो दौलत की हो। तो जैसे हो